Welcome to day number 2 of my 5-day vegan challenge. My name is Jody Bunting and this is my journey to my goal weight, 13 stone 2. Going off on our first walk. You can see it is spitting a little bit, but no problem. Having a little snack, so I'm having a bit of peanut butter and celery. I like it as a snack. Right, it stopped raining, so we've got on the bike and off we go again. The exercise areas. Here we've got the press up and the burpees bench. No, I don't fancy a burpee. The thing about being on a bike, you can go through mud, you can go through water, no problem. Our tyres can take it. For tea tonight we've got stir-fried cabbage and broccoli in coconut oil, then we've got smashed avocado with some hot red pepper. So here is the caravan park, but look at this side, the beach. It's not the sort of beach you can walk on, but it's still pretty, guys. Look at that fresh air. Remember those lovely sheep I was telling you about that will make me not want to eat lamb? Yep, that's doing it for me. Need more inspiration? Check out that very angry looking bull checking me out. To the end of the road here, the sun's setting. It's time to go back.